All right, welcome back. This is Noah, and let's go through the solutions to the Now You Try problems on determining the vertex and axis of symmetry of a parabola given its quadratic function. So let's just remind ourselves the formula that we're using is that the x value of the axis of symmetry is going to be given by negative b over 2a. For the first function we're looking at, part A, we have f of x equals negative x squared plus 2x minus 1. The a value here is negative 1. The b value is 2. So the x value of the axis of symmetry is going to be negative 2, the b value, over 2 times negative 1, the a value. And this should simplify down to 1. So there's our axis of symmetry. And then to get the vertex, we need its y value. So the x value of the vertex is 1. And then we say, what is f of 1 to get the y value? F of 1 is negative 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 1. This gives us negative 1 plus 2 minus 1. And that all adds up to 0. So the vertex is at the point 1, 0. All right, that's it for this problem. For part B, we will apply the formula again. Here we have g of x equals 6x squared plus x minus 1. So our a value is 6, our b value equals 1. So the x value of the axis of symmetry is going to be negative 1, the b value, over 2 times 6, the a value, which simplifies to negative 1/12. So that's not as pretty of an x value, but we can still, that is the right answer, and we can still use this to find the y value of the vertex. So to get the y value of the vertex, we say g of negative 1/12, and this equals 6 times negative 1/12 squared plus negative 1/12 minus 1. So we've got some fraction arithmetic to run through here. I'm going to write 6 over 1 times negative 1/12 squared is going to be 1 over 144. Just the negative goes away. 12 times 12 is 144, but that's in the denominator. The numerator of 1 squared is still a 1. Then I'll write minus 1/12 and then minus 1. So I want to simplify the 6 and the 144 first. Let's do this in steps. Let's divide the top and bottom by 2 so that I get on the bottom 72. 144 divided by 2 is 72. And then I want to try and simplify this some more. So I've got now 3 over 72 minus 1 over 12 minus 1. But 3 goes into 72. We might want to use long division to work this out, but we can also, we could use a calculator if we needed to, but let's think it through. 3 goes into 60 20 times. So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 60 20 times, and then we'd still need 12 more to get to 72. So 3 goes into 12 4 times, so that's a total of 24. If I go 24 times 3, I'd get 3 times 20 is 60, and then 3 times 4 is 12, and 60 plus 12 equals 72. So the denominator is going to reduce to a 24. So I have 1 over 24 minus 1/12 minus 1 over 1, right? Writing the 1 as a fraction. We want to get common denominators, so I'll multiply by 2 top and bottom on the 1/12, and I will multiply by 24 top and bottom on the 1 over 1, so that everything has a denominator of 24. I have 1 over 24 minus 2 over 24 minus 24 over 24. So I get 1 minus 2 is negative 1, minus 24 is negative 25 over 24. So there's the y value of the vertex. So the vertex is negative 1/12, comma, negative 25 over 24. All right, that's it. I know that fraction arithmetic can be a little tricky, so take your time there. Make sure you've got that hashed out. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.